Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to contact Coinbase support with this easy step-by-step guide. First, open your browser and go to the Coinbase Help Center. Once you're on the website, scroll down until you find the support section and click Contact Us. Next, choose the Coinbase product you need help with. In this example, I'll select Coinbase Wallet. After that, click Get Started and choose the option that best describes your issue. Once you've selected your problem, click Message Us to open the Coinbase Virtual Assistant. Sign in to your account to start chatting with the virtual assistant. If you need to speak with a live support agent, follow the prompts and provide the required information. You'll receive a verification code, and after completing the verification process, you'll be connected with a live Coinbase support representative. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.